Ladies and gentlemen, here comes another yummy series.
Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today I share how to make OFE nsala. Very simple. Before we start, please don't forget to like and share. Thank you, and let's start cooking. Over here are the key ingredients for this recipe. I've got fresh catfish, dry fish, stockfish, and my peeled yam. I've already washed this fish properly. Next, I will cut it into my desired sizes. You can use any protein of your choice. You can use chicken or beef, but I prefer the fish version of this recipe. Once I'm done cutting, I will add hot water and allow it to sit for 3 minutes to firm the fish up. That way the fish will not scatter in your soup. Once that is done, I will transfer it in my cooking pot and wash my dry fish with hot water. Add it alongside with my stockfish. Next, I will go in with my grounded crayfish, blended peppers and onions, seasoning cubes and salt to taste. I will add water as well as my peeled yam. As you can see, I did not add too much water because I will blend my yam with water. So make sure you control the quantity of water you are using, otherwise your soup will be too runny and you don't want that. I will cover and allow it to cook until the yam is soft. At this time, the yam is soft enough. Next, I will transfer it to my blender and blend until smooth. I will proceed by adding my grounded uziza seed and ogiri. Once I'm done blending the yam, I will add it to my pot of soup. Give it a good mix. Cover and allow it to cook for 5 minutes on a medium heat. After 5 minutes, this is what we have. I love the consistency. If you have watched till this point, please share and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. I will proceed by adding more crayfish and my dry uziza leaves. I will give it a good mix and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. You guys, this soup is very simple. That is it for today's video, guys. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for your love and support. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please take a moment to subscribe. Share this video with your friends and families. Thank you, and always be positive, and see you in our next video. Bye guys.